Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. It's called a coach's board. And this one here, it says football, but I think football meaning soccer football. So this is what it looks like here. It's kind of a nice leathery looking thing. I'm gonna guess it's probably not real leather, but looks like it. But then look at this. I've not seen these things before. It gives you the whole field here. And then you have all these things here for your players. So let me open this up here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. They're all magnetized, so I gotta get a bunch of them out here. So it looks like it comes with a ball here, and it has a referee and assistant referee. Let me put those on here. And then we have player one. So you can line up your players, give them their positions, whatever you need on here. You can see right there, so they all have their different positions and whatnot, so you can set up your plays. And then it also comes with a dry erase here, so you could write on the board, 2 of those. And then it comes with some papers too, so you could write it down and write down the players' names, whatever it is you need to have. And it comes with a little eraser, so once you do that, you can erase it. And then all the little pieces here, so you have all these ones here. So it's like you get all the way up to 12. I'm not sure why you need 12, but I think there's 11 at a time. But I guess different little leagues and things like that will have different numbers of players. But how cool is that? It's really good. So if you have a coach in your life, you want to give this a gift, or if you are a coach and need something to keep track of your team, this is a great little thing. So thumbs up.